Hi, I'm Kelly Miller. I'm the owner and lead artist here at Beauty in the Brow Studio. I'm just reaching out to let everybody know that it's not just cosmetic permanent makeup services that we offer here. It's also 3D areola restoration as well as scar camouflage. What 3D areola restoration is, it is a tattoo and it's made to look hyper-realistic to mimic a natural areola. It's not a flat color tone. It's about 5 or 6 colors that I use when I implant it into the skin so that it looks very much real and the same as what you maybe once had. And what actually this can look like is this right here. A couple of examples. And depending on your needs, if it's a lateral or bilateral procedure that you had done, we can definitely create it and help mimic it to look very realistic for you. A lot of people don't know that these services are offered, so I just wanted to reach out and let everybody know that this is an option for you. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. The cell phone number here is 413-387-4087, or you can reach us on the website, which is www.beautyinthebrowkelly.com, or right on social media, Beauty in the Brow Kelly on Facebook or Instagram. Thank you. Have a great day.